Can wit outsmart wings? In the royal court of Vijayanagara, a mysterious bird claims it can detect the truth from lies, captivating everyone, even the mighty King Krishna Devaraya. But when Tenali Rama senses something foul is afoot, he hatches a clever plan to expose a fraud that's fluffier than it's factual. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you the story of Tenali Rama and the mysterious bird. In the vibrant court of King Krishna Devaraya, brilliance and beauty flowed like a Tungabhadra river. Among his nobles, scholars and warriors, no one was as quick-witted and beloved as Tenali Rama, poet, prankster and the king's sharpest advisor. One fine morning, as golden sunlight filtered through the arches of the palace, a foreign merchant from Persia arrived at the court, cradling a magnificent bird in a golden cage. The merchant bowed low and declared, "Your Majesty, I bring a wonder from my land, the mysterious bird of the East. It sings only when it hears the truth and goes silent at every lie." The court buzzed with curiosity. "A truth-detecting bird?" the king asked, intrigued. "Yes, my lord," said the merchant. "It can tell a liar from a saint." The king's eyes sparkled. "A perfect gift for our court. We shall test it." The merchant placed the ornate cage on a pedestal. Inside, the bird shimmered with emerald feathers and had eyes that gleamed with strange intelligence. "Let the wise men of the court speak. If they speak true, the bird will sing," said the merchant. Minister after minister stepped forward. "I serve my king with a pure heart," one said. The bird chirped softly. "I have never been tempted by bribes," claimed another. The bird remained silent. Laughter broke out. The king chuckled. "Well, at least it's honest." Then came the turn of Tenali Rama. With a sly smile, he approached the cage. "I am the most humble man in the kingdom," he declared dramatically. The bird screeched and flapped its wings in panic. The court roared with laughter. "Your bird has a sharp ear," said the king. The merchant bowed. "It knows the truth, Your Majesty." Impressed, the king bought the bird for 1,000 gold coins, placing it in a special room behind his throne. Days passed. The bird became the star of the palace. People came to confess their truths or be caught in their lies. It always chirped sweetly when truth was spoken and stayed silent during falsehood. But something began to bother Tenali Rama. He noticed that the bird only chirped when the courtiers stood very close to it and never at a distance. And its chirp sounded mechanical. One night, Tenali crept into the bird's chamber. He examined the cage and tapped it and listened. Beneath the pedestal, he found tiny brass lever and some unusual gears. He smirked. The bird sings not to truth but to pressure. The next morning, Tenali came to a court with a covered cage of his own. "Your Majesty," he said, bowing, "I too have found a marvelous bird. It doesn't sing at lies or truths. It sings only when it detects greed." The king raised an eyebrow. "Truly?" "Yes. Would Your Majesty like to test it?" Tenali uncovered the cage. Inside was a scruffy pigeon with missing feathers and a tilted head. The court burst into laughter. "This bird," the king chuckled. "Yes," said Tenali seriously. "But it's sensitive. It needs silence." The king agreed. Tenali announced. One by one, let the ministers approach and whisper how much gold they would steal if given a chance, and the bird will chirp if it senses greed. Intrigued, the king nodded. One by one, courtiers approached and whispered into the cage. 100 gold coins. Silence. 1,000 gold coins. Still silence. 10,000. No chirping. Finally, the Persian merchant approached. He whispered something. Suddenly, the pigeon burst into loud cooing and flapped madly. The court gasped. The king stood. "What did you whisper?" I said I would take the entire royal treasury," the merchant stammered. The pigeon shrieked louder. Tenali clapped. "Aha! It detects greed." Everyone looked astonished, but the king narrowed his eyes. "Rama, explain." Tenali bowed. "Your Majesty, this bird of mine is as truthful as the one the merchant sold you." "Which is to say, neither is magical." he turned to the merchant. You tricked us with gears hidden beneath the cage. The bird chirps when weight is applied to the lever, not when truth is spoken. I simply trained this old pigeon to coo when I gently press a pebble under its foot. The merchant's face turned pale. Tenali continued. Such tricks work in bazaars, not in the court of Vijayanagara. The king ordered the cage of the mystery bird to be dismantled, and as expected, a small hidden mechanism was found beneath. Furious at being duped, the king confiscated the merchant's earnings and banished him from the kingdom. Later that evening, the king laughed heartedly. Tenali, only you could outwit a con man with a cooing pigeon. Tenali bowed. Sometimes, Your Majesty, the simplest of birds can expose the biggest of lies. The royal pigeon was given a golden perch and a lifetime supply of grains. The moral of the story is that never believe everything you hear, especially if it comes from a bird that's being paid to sing. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye, see you very soon.